Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's topic of ENT is the voice and speech disorders. This lecture we will discuss in 5 different sections. In the first section, we will talk about the very common voice and speech disorder, that's the hoarseness of the voice. And we will talk about the important factors and the causes that can cause the hoarseness of the voice. Then we will discuss the investigations that can be performed to find out the causes of the hoarseness, and then the laryngoscopy and lab investigations for the hoarseness. In the second section, we will talk about the ventricular dysphonia and functional aphonia. Dysphonia is difficulty in producing sound, but aphonia is complete absence of the voice or sound. Phonation is for the production of voice or sound. And then we will talk about the conditions like dysphonia plica ventricularis that can cause ventricular dysphonia and how we diagnose this condition, and also we can talk about the hysterical or functional aphonia. Then in the third section, we will again talk about 2 other conditions known as puberphonia and phonasthenia. And we will talk about different features of these 2 conditions, causes of these 2 conditions, and how we can treat the patient who have puberphonia and phonasthenia. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about the types of dysphonia, which can be adductor dysphonia, abductor dysphonia, and mixed dysphonia, which can be due to adductor or abductor muscle disorders. Then fifth section, which will be the final section, we will talk about the hyponasality, which is rhinolalia clausa, and hypernasality rhinolalia aperta, and then the condition which is known as the stuttering. So all these different voice and speech disorders will be discussed in our today's lecture topic. So keep watching sqadia.com.